Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of WeTV. We go to restricted account on WeTV app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about WeTV app and you can click here. Then this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about WeTV app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your